Hiro-san,
Yes.
what a treat today again.
Special
Delivery.
item.
Yes. Aaron and Roman in the back there. You guys saw them from a previous video. These gentlemen took us out on the boat, and unfortunately we weren't there to share this adventure with them. But Aaron, tell us about what these are and how'd you get them.
So these are Spanish painted lobsters. Here in Florida, we have a set season on our Florida Spinies. They're the larger variation. These lobsters, however, characterized by their black color and white spots, which almost seem like they're glowing in the dark when you go in the caves.
Yeah, now tell us, they're in a cave, right? You got to dive. How far did you have to go to get these?
These ones were in about 60 or 70, I don't quite remember, but they're always in the roofs of these really deep caves. I think they like the colder, clearer water.
And how'd you catch them? What did you use?
Well, you have to catch them barehanded because normal lobster's out of season. Of course, I'm having a real trouble catching them barehanded right now without my gloves. But these guys are really fast when they're in the water. Thanks.
Wow, beautiful.
They're
Nice
a little
size
lethargic
too.
because the water was cold, but
Yeah.
they're really delicate flesh, a lot more tender than Florida Spiny Lobster. They have a little stronger of a flavor. Closest in taste, in my opinion, would probably be like a European langoustine, maybe. But I'm really excited to see what Chef does with them. Only thing I've ever done is split and grill, or throw them in a pan with Parmesan cheese batter. That's simple fisherman way,
Right.
When you come back after a 10-hour day of diving, you can't take the time and energy that Chef would do. No.
Right.
I think this is good. Honestly, we have to eat with sashimi.
Sashimi style, right? Because it's so fresh.
Right.
Let's take a look at these. Now, again, lobster season's already done, but these are all year round, right?
They're non-regulated, no size limit, no season.
And my question is, how big do these get?
That is actually a monster one.
This one's a monster, right?
I've never
It's not even that
seen
big.
one much bigger than that.
Okay,
I think
wow.
the biggest one I've seen was 3/4 of a pound.
Okay,
Whereas the Florida lobsters can grow up to 8-9 pounds if you know good spots.
okay. Well, this is a treat. Thank you so much for
Absolutely.
stopping by and
That's a
bringing
treat
them.
for me. I can't wait to try it.
Oh yeah, for sure. We are ready. What is the first step?
So first of all, dispatch.
Okay,
First, I'm gonna make a little bit drunk.
this is called
This.
Drunken Lobster.
Yeah.
I've never seen this done before, that you actually put the lobster in sake
Right.
or wine.
Put the robusta in.
So we're gonna get the lobsters drunk, and then we'll dispatch after, no?
Yes.
Or actually clean up and cut up, no?
Mhm.
Okay.
Oop.
I don't know if they like the wine too much.
Maybe they like more sake.
Yeah. No, I don't know if they like to. I don't think they like to be in there at all, Hiro.
Okay, let's start to dispatch the robusta.
Okay. I think they're pretty much done already.
Yeah, it's already. Okay, let's go. This one's a little more hard shell,
Yeah.
than other one. Maybe this one, maybe from this side more easier.
Okay.
I guess. Try. Okay. First, I'm gonna cut the center. Something else. Okay. I'm gonna keep this one here now. Now. Not all the way, not all well done, just a little bit outside. That's it. Alien. Ah!
Looks so good, Hiro.
Yeah, lobster sashimi.
You know?
So I like
One of your
lobster.
favorite things, right? Mine too.
Yeah.
And I wonder if I taste any of the sake in here. What do you think? Maybe not, right? Because I got boiled and cleaned already.
I don't have a lemon today, so I'm gonna put the wasabi here. That's it. Simple.
Wow. You know, this reminds me of Okinawa,
Yeah, Okinawa.
right? Remember?
Yeah.
We had so much
We
lobster.
ate a lot of lobster.
Oh.
But this one,
Huge one.
yeah.
Beautiful. This dish looks absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to try it, Hiro. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you in the tasting part. Thank you. We are
Yes.
back to the tasting part.
Tasting parts.
Thanks to our friends here, Aaron, also Roman, Nancy. Welcome to the family. Okay, let's try this.
Lobster sashimi.
This is just quickly blanched.
Yeah.
Enjoy. Let me
Please.
try.
For you first, Auntie. Ramenek.
Hiro-san, come on.
Just sure.
I need to try a piece.
Hitting it in the hot water really sweetens the meat up and brings it together.
Here, how's it compared to the other lobster you've had before?
First thing, when I pick up the meat, it's very, very clear. Very clear,
Mm.
this meat.
Very clear, right?
Yeah.
And the texture?
Texture is this, so good because this is minutes ago this one was right, you know.
difference between this lobster and a lobster that's caught by a fisherman commercially is a commercial lobster is in a trap for days before they go and pick it up. This lobster was living in its natural environment before we went down there, grabbed them, and put them in the little live bucket and brought them for dinner.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Live jug. Really, really good.
that's fine.
All right, well, thank you guys so much again. Hiro, if we can get more of this lobster, we can try another recipe, right?
We need a more lobster.
Yeah, we need more. All right, guys. Thanks again.
Thank you. はい、矢部さんどうぞ。